Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another blog tech tips. Here I have a generic Android tablet. Generic meaning that it is one of those tablets that basically you can buy online. They come in a variety of names. They come in a variety of designs, but usually you can see that they're Chinese. All right, they're very generic. Check out this one, guys. It has actually a smiley face camera that I call it. All right, but of course the name doesn't matter. All right, so I'm gonna turn this around and I'm going to show you how to do a force restart. All right, so here's a scenario. Let's say you're using an app and the app freezes, or of course the OS freezes and you cannot move. It's not happening to this. I'm just showing you how to do it. So let's say the system is totally frozen and you're not getting anything out of your device, meaning nothing is happening on screen. It's just stuck. All right. In that case, you'll have to do what we call a force restart. Now, of course, you could reboot the system if you were able to access the screen controls, but let's say, or in most cases when that's happening, you cannot do that. All right, so I'm gonna show you what to do. So first thing you're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna turn it to the side here just to show you what's happening. This is volume up, this is volume down, and this is power. And you're gonna do what we call a force restart. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do, guys, is hold down power and volume down. All right, so you're gonna hold both at the same time. You're gonna press and hold, and if the device is frozen, the fun thing is that this doesn't require any inputs on the screen itself, and you're gonna keep holding both power and volume down at the same time, and you're just gonna keep holding. Chances are, or it should be, that the device will start up again by itself, and of course once it starts up by itself again, it should as soon as you see any logo on screen, just let go. All right, so as you see that logo there, as you see the Android Go edition, this tablet information, it will force restart itself, and of course the device will come back on. And that's how to do a force restart, and that's just using the button combination. It works flawlessly on these devices, and I find that it fixes most of those issues when the system is frozen up. So in the case of this tablet here, I can unlock, and of course the tablet will load up. Now there's some additional tips from what I know about when these systems are behaving like this. As you can see, it would be responsive again in your case. If the system is unresponsive, it's because usually the software is glitching out. Get a cleaner. You don't have to use this particular one. I'm not recommending it. I'm just showing you that there are options out there, so don't use this as a recommendation. Search for a cleaning software in your Play Store. Anyone will work normally. And you're going to clean the system. You're going to delete additional files. So for example, if your storage is used up with games, delete all unnecessary games and pictures and free up space. You need at least 25% or more free space. The OS does use the free space, especially on these tablets, to act as RAM, to do stuff relating to processing. All right, so make sure that you free up space on your device. All right, so make sure that you create a lot of free space and usually clean up junk files. That should fix the issue in most cases as well, to make sure that the tablet doesn't continually freezes. All right, if all else fails, looking how to do a total reset by backing up your files and wiping the tablet clean. I have separate tutorials on those. And of course, as a bonus tip, in some cases this might help as well, but those are the best ones that I have given first. You can look at the side here. There is a small hole beside the power button. As long as this is not a GSM tablet where you might be seeing a mic port, you should be good. But it's always beside the power button for safety. All right, so what you're going to do here is that you're going to take if you can't use the buttons or the buttons are not working, highly unlikely, but if that's happening, just get a paper clip or a toothpick or something that's firm and very fine, and press this button here and press and hold for like say 10 seconds. The device will automatically restart, and of course that's another method of resetting or soft resetting your device, where it should get your device back up and working as well. All right, so that's the bunch of options that you have to fix your device should you be getting any problems. If you have any questions, please ask them below. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.